Hello everyone, my name is Nayasa Kaulia. Today I want to discuss about my task in the subject of curriculum and syllabus analysis, which is comparing two lessons analysis. So let's get started. From the first slide, there is two lesson units, which is in the left side it is Go Beyond Level 2, and in the right side it is Kevin Dickwood to 2018 or 200 or 2018 English textbook. Next, and the seconds and competencies. Uh, First, both are aimed at developing comprehensive English language skills, which is reading, writing, speaking, and grammar. Then, however, Go Beyond Level 2 is supplement with listening skills and focus more on contextual communication. While the Kemendikbud book focus on functional text relevant to Indonesian culture and content. And then this is uh, unit or section evaluate in the Go Beyond level. The unit is Mind and Woody and Kemendikbud book. It is chapter 2, Why Don't You Visit Seattle? And in skill focus in Go Beyond level 2, it is refers to grammar, reading, listening, and speaking. And in Kemendikbud book, refers to reading, writing, speaking, and grammar. In the next slide, in the third slide, there is a content structure and sequencing. Go Beyond Level 2 offers a diverse and interconnected arrangement of material, starting with a reading or listening test, followed by grammar exercise, then speaking, discussions or projects, and this pattern support scaffolding. In contrast, Kemendikbud book organized the material more simply, starting from reading and then comprehension, next is grammar and then speaking, and last is writing without including listening skills. And this is uh, in the book A, aka Go Beyond Level 2, more complete, varied, and diverse structure sequence supports integrate learning for skills. And then in book B or Kemendikbud, the structure or the content more basic structure, only focusing on reading text and writing exercises with a simpler sequence, not yet integrating listening skills. Next is skill integration. In the skill integration, in Go Beyond book, stands out in terms of skill integration because it combines the four main skills, which is reading, listening, speaking, and writing, along with grammar into one learning unit with communicative activities. While the Kemendikbud book um, is good too. It's also good at combining reading, listening, speaking, writing, and grammar into one learning unit with communicative activities. And then this is in Go Beyond book, skills integration is more superior with with a score of 5 because it involves interactive listening and speaking. So student more active and more interactive because the skills cover all of language skills. And in Kemendikbud book, for skill integration gets a score of 4 because it does not involve listening activities, but there are speaking tasks but more text dialogue like yeah, follow the instruction of the book. Follow the yeah. Next is learning activities and assessment tasks. And the material in the Go Beyond Level 2 includes varied and cooperative learning activities such as um, reverse to group discussions, projects, and learn and listening exercises. And assessment are also diverse, supporting both formative and summative assessment. On the other hand, in Kemendikbud book, uh, relies more on reading, practice questions, writing assignments, and conversation exercise, but lacks of collaborative activities and has no listening assessment. And next is relevance to the curriculum goals. The Gobion level alignment with the national curriculum as it is structured to meet the learning outcomes for the text type, social function, and Indonesian culture content. Meanwhile, no, sorry, in the Kemendikbud before, and this is the Go Beyond Level 2 is strong in terms of communicative approach and themes close to real life, use authentic materials or authentic language so student can follow the learning more easy to understand and then but still requires adjustment to local materials to truly support the implementation of the national curriculum. And then, yeah, maybe that's all for me from my discussion about comparing to Legend. Thank you and goodbye.